Alright, so you want the complete guide to programming, distilled and delivered in a neat 3-minute package? A comprehensive roadmap to navigate the world of code? Let's do it. We'll break down the essentials and get you started on your coding journey. First, let's acknowledge the basics. Before diving into complex algorithms and intricate syntax, it's crucial to understand the fundamental principles. Programming is about giving instructions to a computer, using a language both you and the machine can understand. It's a conversation, a dialogue between you and the silicon brain. Now, for most professionals, the real journey begins by picking a language. This is where you choose your weapon, your tool of choice in the coding arena. My advice? Start with Python. It's a fantastic entry point into the world of programming. It's simple, powerful, and incredibly popular, so you'll find tons of resources and community support. The Python community is vast and welcoming, ready to assist you every step of the way. Next up, set up your environment, get your workspace ready for coding, download a code editor like VS Code or PyCharm, and make sure you can run simple scripts. These editors are your canvas, your digital workshop where you'll bring your ideas to life. This is your new playground, your digital sandbox where you can experiment and create. Spend a few hours just writing hello world and tinkering around, play with the syntax, explore the possibilities, and get a feel for the language. Get comfortable breaking stuff. That's the secret. Errors are your teachers, guiding you towards a deeper understanding. Now focus on the fundamentals. These are the building blocks of all programs: variables, loops, functions, and data structures. Master these, and you'll have a solid foundation to build upon. Don't just memorize. Build tiny projects. Put your knowledge into practice and see how these concepts work in the real world. Automate a boring task, scrape a website, or figure out how to organize your music files. These small projects will teach you more than any textbook ever could. Each time you hit a wall, that's good. It means you're learning and growing. Google is your best friend. Embrace the power of search engines to find solutions and learn new techniques. Stack Overflow is your second home. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and a lifeline when you're stuck. Once you're past the basics, it's time to learn version control. This is how you manage and track changes to your code. Git is essential. It's the industry standard for version control. I'd say learn how to commit, push, and pull on GitHub. These are the fundamental Git operations you'll use every day. Start collaborating even if it's just with your past self. Version control allows you to work on projects over time and revert to previous versions if needed. Now here's where most people get stuck, choosing what to build next. The possibilities are endless, and it can be overwhelming. My advice? Don't just follow tutorials. Tutorials are helpful, but they shouldn't be your sole source of learning. Pick a problem that bugs you or a tool you wish existed. Find something that genuinely interests you, and the motivation will come naturally. Build that, turn your frustration into innovation, break it, fix it, and repeat. This is the iterative process of software development. As your skills grow, dive deeper. Learn about algorithms, data structures, and design patterns. These are the advanced concepts that will elevate your coding abilities. But don't get lost in theory. Keep your feet on the ground and remember the practical applications of your knowledge. Apply what you learn to real-world problems. Solve challenges that people actually face. And remember, programming isn't just about code. It's more than just writing lines of instructions. It's about communication, architecture, and making things that actually work. It's about collaborating with others and building robust, scalable systems. Write clean code, make your code easy to understand and maintain, comment your logic, explain why you did what you did for your future self and for others, and always ask, can someone else understand what I just wrote? Code is meant to be read, not just executed. Finally, keep leveling up. Never stop learning and growing as a programmer. Contribute to open source. It's a great way to learn from others and give back to the community. Read code written by others. Analyze their approaches and learn from their expertise. Join communities, online forums, local meetups, whatever suits you. Surround yourself with other passionate programmers. The tech landscape changes fast, but if you're curious and persistent, you'll thrive. Embrace the constant evolution and adapt to new technologies. So that's the complete guide in 3 minutes. A whirlwind tour of the programming landscape. Start small, keep building, and never stop learning. The journey of a programmer is a lifelong pursuit of knowledge and skill. Trust me, it's the best investment you can make in your career. The demand for skilled programmers is constantly growing. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has inspired you to embark on your own coding adventure. Now go write some code. The world of programming awaits.